Hey Warp Tech fam, I'm your digital guide bringing you the biggest tech insights that actually matter. Today we're diving deep into something revolutionary that's going to change how you use AI forever. OpenAI's DevDay just wrapped up, and trust me, ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot, it's an entire ecosystem. If you're using AI, you need to know these 5 game-changing updates. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's warp into the future. First up, apps inside ChatGPT. Remember when you had to switch between apps to get things done? Not anymore. OpenAI just launched an apps SDK. This means developers can now build and ship full-fledged interactive applications directly within ChatGPT's interface. Imagine designing a presentation in Canva, booking a flight on Expedia, or even coding in Figma, all without ever leaving ChatGPT. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a super app. It's streamlining your workflow and making AI a central hub for all your tasks. No more tab-switching chaos. Next, something truly mind-blowing. AgentKit and AI Agents. OpenAI has introduced a new suite for building and deploying AI agents. Think of AI agents as your personal digital clones that can perform complex tasks autonomously. With Agent Builder, you can design sophisticated workflows using a visual editor. These agents can pull live data from apps, websites, databases, and even think for themselves to complete multi-step tasks. Imagine an agent that analyzes your bills, reviews contracts, and then creates follow-up actions, all on its own. This is moving beyond simple prompts. We're talking about self-operating AI. Point 3. Custom GPTs, your personalized AI. Alright, this one is for everyone who wanted a truly personalized AI. Custom GPTs. Forget generic chatbots. Now you can create your very own versions of ChatGPT tailored to a specific purpose. You can build Cooking Assistant GPT that only gives you recipes, or a Marketing GPT that specializes in content ideas, or even a Code Debugger GPT that only helps with Python errors. You teach it, you give it custom instructions, and you can even make it available to others in a new GPT store coming soon. This is a massive leap in AI personalization. Point 4. Codex updates. GPT-5. Codex for all the developers and tech enthusiasts out there. Pay attention. Codex just got a massive upgrade. We're now talking about GPT-5 Codex. This isn't just about writing code, it's about making developers 70% more efficient. OpenAI's coding agent, Codex, is being rolled out more widely with powerful new developer tools. It now offers GPT-5 level code generation, better Slack integration to call Codex directly from your channels, and a Codex SDK for embedding its capabilities directly into your workflows. This is going to revolutionize how we build software, making coding faster, smarter, and incredibly powerful. And now for the mind-blowing grand finale, OpenAI Sora. This is not just an update, it's the future of video creation. Sora is OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video AI model. Forget cameras, crews, and complex editing. You simply type a detailed sentence, a prompt, and Sora generates stunning, hyper-realistic, high-definition video clips up to a minute long. It understands complex physics, dynamic camera movements, and even the emotional nuances of a scene. Imagine creating a cinematic shot of a golden retriever running through a snowy forest, or a futuristic city bustling with life, all from a few words. Sora is going to democratize video production, making Hollywood-level visuals accessible to everyone. This is nothing short of revolutionary for content creators and filmmakers alike. So there you have it, the 5 game-changing updates from OpenAI's DevDay. ChatGPT is evolving from a simple chat interface to a full-fledged multifunctional AI platform. Which update are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Warp Tech, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next big tech breakthrough. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Warp out.